What's up, guys? Adam Milstead here with Straight Yak'd. Guys, I'm at a beautiful sort of mountain lake right now, and I'm actually going to be competing for the Kayak Anglers of Laurel Highlands second AOY chapter event, and that's at Lake Glendale. So I just unloaded everything and I want to show you something. This is awesome. That is my new boat, guys. This is the Native Titan Propel 12. And you know what? I'm super excited to be fishing this today. This will be its maiden voyage. But I have some other news that I'd like to share with you guys. I just signed on with Native Watercraft on their fishing team. So obviously you're going to be seeing a lot more videos, tips and tricks, some things that involve the Native. Quite a lot here in the next few months. You're going to see a lot. So anyways, I'm super excited to be a part of Native, and we're going to go ahead and head out on the water. Hopefully we'll get it lucky. I've got no graphs. Sign on. What's up?
Welcome to the team.
Thanks, guys.
Welcome to the family. I guess not the team, the Native family.
The Native family. I'm a part of the Native family now. So I'm super excited to be working with this company, and we're gonna, like I said, we're gonna have fun. And today's maiden voyage, no graphs, very simple fishing, just gonna go ahead, pound a bank. Hopefully we get lucky and get into a couple of decent fish here today. So let's go fishing, let's get out there and get yacked. Thanks for watching Straight Yak'd.
My name is Adam Milstead, and I'm a former UFC fighter turned extreme kayak angler. I travel around the country fishing bass tournaments out of kayaks. So if you like kayaking and you like fishing, then welcome to Straight Yak'd.
Yes! Baby! Alright guys, first impressions of the Native Titan Propel 12. The first thing I have to say, the rudder system and being able to steer this thing, it's like butter. I mean, and I can, this is the stock, what? I'm literally doing, I'm doing donuts. This is the stock rudder right now. My goodness. How awesome is that? This is the stock rudder, and I literally just did a donut. Stability wise, it's like one buddy said, it's like a john boat. It's like fishing off a john boat. And the beautiful thing is the drive too. The drive is super smooth. It is so smooth. It's quiet. So much room. I think I could flip from this seat. I could probably flip from this seat. Again, the room in here is awesome. Tons of room, tons of spot to kind of lay a lot of things. Like, you know, I was thinking maybe I'm gonna need a mount, like a catch board on the outside of the boat or something, but it fits right there. Look how easy it is just to grab my catch board. Tons of room in the back. So I'm able to kind of just throw whatever I want back there. I mean, obviously you don't want to bring a whole lot, but I'm able to bring quite a lot of stuff back here. I feel so safe. I feel calm and relaxed. I feel like I can see everything. I'm not too far down. If I wanted to stand up, I could stand up. No problem whatsoever. I mean, this is amazing, amazing boat so far. And I cannot wait to slime it, AKA catch a fish. Now this particular lake, tough. This is a tough lake. It's fished a lot of pressure. We're gonna be utilizing a lot of smaller baits here today. First thing I'm gonna throw real early in the morning, I'm gonna throw a frog. Not your normal frog, like just a small, like live target frog, and I'm gonna try to pitch it up in weeds, lay downs and things like that. And we're gonna just cover water today. No graphs, no nothing. Let's see if we can find these things, huh?
Yeah.
Is that the one you were throwing?
Yeah.
Oh, and it didn't run right either, huh?
It wants to stay below the surface a little bit.
We might have to go heavier, like, you know, like a 17-pound mono or something, or... Oh, got him!
That one.
Oh, man. Get in this boat, get in this boat! Ah, it's a monster! No, it's not. But it's a legal fish. Look at that, guys. Talking to old Abby, you got my first fish sliming the brand new native. 13. He hit the old frog. All right, guys, first one's on the board. 13. Not bad. Put him back. Let him go. Control for him. Catch him that way. Trolling with the flipping hook. Wood duck. All right, we got another one. Doing a drop shot for you. We got one on the drop shot. Okay. Biggest one of the day, I think. No! $13.75. Best one of the day is a $13.75. Okay. You guys killing it?
Not really. One nice one.
Yeah?
How about yourself?
Nope. I got three fish, maybe about 12, 13 inches each.
Wow.
Really difficult. We actually got a kayak tournament going on right now.
Kayak tournament.
Yeah, so you'll see a lot of these kayaks. But looking online, when we submit our fish on this app, we do it all by measurement. My buddy is down the lake right now at the dam. He just pulled up a 20-inch smallmouth.
Really?
Yeah, it was a nice one, and he'll most likely take home big bass today. But the rest of it, I mean, nobody's got a limit yet of 5 fish.
Wow.
We've been going now for 3 hours, so yep. Yeah, catching them retreads.
Yeah, they leave them all go there. There's the flagpole.
There we go. It's something. I don't know what the major or minor is today. Oh, 13.5. Okay. Maybe. All right, we got a 5. Not much, but we got a 5. Well, we got a 12.25 here. All right, 12.25. Good grief. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Just an absolute giant. Just an absolute giant right there. Oh my goodness. Oh, he's got it. Damn it. An absolute giant right there. Jeez. So there's a one-eyed 20-inch smallie in here now.
Yeah, but
Hang on,
yeah.
hang on.
Get it?
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
A good one?
Get in the boat. Oh, yes. Oh, thank you for not splashing. Oh, that helps. There's a log in the middle of this cove here. I just rolled up to it, barely hooked. God, it was barely hooked.
Nice.
What a fatty. Oh my God. Probably only like a 17 maybe.
Still have a 12.25.
Oh dude, I've got a million of them. Look at that. 16. 16.25. Sorry.
Nice. Where's the award at, by the way?
Kill buck.
Okay.
Look at that. Look at that fish. Oh my God. I gotta take a picture of this. I don't care if that one's not submitted or not. Hopefully you're okay, buddy. Oh, you don't look too good. Oh, come on, baby. Be big. It's so hard to tell on this light rod. Big head shakes. Big head shakes. Good one. Good one here, guys. Good one. Yes. Oh, good one. Oh my goodness. They are just eating this thing. Good one. And I get to keep my freaking worm. Fantastic. Oh, man. good fish, maybe about 15. I don't think I'm gonna be able to twist him, or I think it's just straight up a 15.5 on a very, very tough lake. All right, guys, 15.5, beautiful fish. I knew he was big when he hit it. Whew, all right, so we did that. That's cool. I will sit here all day. Good one. Maybe. Oh, smallie. Good smallie. Oh, we got to retie after this one. Oh, no, it's not. Oh. It's not a smallmouth. Hold on. Check this guy out. This is called a brown bullhead. It's probably one of the best eating catfish out there. Look at him eating the zoom. Everybody loves the zoom today, huh? Bluegills, bass. Boy, and this right here. Go ahead, bite me, I don't care. That's perfect eating size right there. Oh man, look at that. Brown bullhead, man. That's cool. Cool little fishy. Yeah, man. Drop shot, huh? And he bit me. He bit me before he left. I thought that was a smallmouth. Could you blame me? It was freaking brown. Couldn't get rid of my 13s. All right, guys. So that's pretty much the tournament. We're gonna head back to the launch, get everything all packed up. I believe this is where the awards are, so we can take our time, all the good stuff. So not too bad. A couple things I could probably take away from today. Number one, drop shot was the deal. That was plain and simple what it was. It was drop shot. You had to drop shot. You had to finesse. And it stinks because you can't really cover a lot of water. But was able to find quite a bit of fish today. I mean, I got a decent little bass thumb going on. So anyways, we got that. Then the other thing that we were running into was the fact that there was no grass whatsoever. And so when bass don't have grass, they tend to roam a lot. Or if they don't have a lot of structure, they tend to just roam and just keep roaming. So there was a couple times I sort of just power pulled down and I sat in one spot and waited for the bass to come to me. So that was another thing. The other one was that the bass that I did find were sitting around old and still somewhat current bluegill beds, which just makes sense. They're feeding up on bluegill, so why not? So the few bluegill beds I did find, there was a majority of the bass that I caught today was on them. And then I lost my kicker like I had the last 3 tournaments. He was a good fish. He was about 19. I saw him cruising and casted right next to him. I passed him, cast right next to him, and just kept jigging, and sure enough, he ate it. And I didn't think much of it, but I sat there and I did the thing you don't do with drop shotting. You don't set the hook. You just sort of kind of start reeling. And so I set the hook thinking that I'm gonna bring this fish up, and well, he ended up coming to the surface and just threw the hook. And it wasn't even like a long hook set. It was just, you know, situational awareness that I kind of failed upon. So next time, I gotta remember when that happens, still remember the technique that I'm using and make sure I'm setting the hook the correct way. So anyways, look, this is my first tournament in the native Propel 12 Titan. This thing is awesome. Okay, I've got a few upgrades to make on it. Going to obviously put some graphs on here. So I got a few ideas how I'm gonna do that. I'll make sure I will videotape, what is this, 1990? I'll make sure I record as much as I can of me actually working on this thing. So if you guys do get a Titan, you've got a few sort of ideas to work with. So I'm going to put some graphs on here. And then the last thing is, when it comes to it, tournaments are easily pre-fished with a motor. So I am going to throw on a Torpedo at some point. I have it, I need to use it. I just got to take off everything off of the big rig and throw it onto the native. So anyways, tough tournament. Was happy with the finish. 5th place ain't too bad. Not the greatest, not where I wanted. And heck, who knows, I might drop even more when people start submitting their fish. People who didn't have a lot of service on this lake. So all right, so that's pretty much it, guys. Not a bad tournament. Ended up taking 6 out of 30. I was in 5th place, and then somebody sandbagged. That's always fun. Anyways, I was happy that I was able to find some fish on a very, very tough lake, and I got an opportunity to finally float the Native Titan. And I'm gonna tell you what, this Native Titan is legit. I love this boat already, and I haven't even done any real work to it. I haven't put a graph on it. Obviously I want to put a motor, upgrade the rudder a little bit, but I mean, just the way it is, how it comes stock is just, it's awesome. It's a great boat. So if you guys are looking for a super stable, I mean super stable boat, at the same time something that fishes really well, like I'm up high so I can see, I'm comfortable, and then the ability to customize on this thing is great. You got an ability to kind of put whatever it is that you want on this boat, and then of course all the upgrades you can think of, whatever you want. This boat, you can make it your own. So I love the Native Titan already, and I've only had it out once. So I believe the next tournament is either the Susky or it's the Juniata, which is a river tournament, which is the next step to see how this thing does in very, very shallow water. So I'm gonna go grab a beer with my buddy Eric, and we're gonna sign off here. Thanks for watching Straight Yak'd.